Hello everyone, my name is Tero Hahti. I'm here at the GESAB booth. We are a Spanish manufacturer of technical furniture, do wide range of furniture for specific use of 24/7 control room use. Here I can show you an example that is our Advantis new generation desk, which we can customize exactly according to the need of each project. Color, shape, form, whatever the project is asking, customers are needing, so we can make it exactly. Also, we are supplying all the ergonomic products, so we are talking about a complete solution, plus all the services then to do the turnkey projects in this environment. At the same time, yes, we are the market leader here in this sector. You can visit our webpage. It's called GESAB.com, and you can get all the main information from there. Thank you.